Today's lecture 4 of basic electronics is transfer characteristic and square law of J-FET. Channel class 5 community. So today we will be dealing with the topic transfer characteristic. Here the transfer characteristic means that we will be having two things, that is one is a drain current, that is our ID, and its unit is mA, and another is gate to source voltage. What we will do here, first of all, that we will make a voltage to drain source at a particular or a suitable value. As we make it, we will now increase this VGS, that means gate to source voltage. As we know that VGS increase in small steps, what happens? It causes this drain current to flow and it makes two things, and this one is an IDS, another is a VGS of, which is also known as pinch off voltage. Okay, so it makes a graph like this and it is a part of a parabola, right? So what happens? We get an equation from this, that is, so this equation we get, that is a drain current is equal to our IDSS, that means drain current for source voltage, and this is our VGS, right, that means gate to source voltage, where this is a VGS off. So we can also say that VP, that means a pinch off voltage. So like this our transfer characteristic will happen. Okay, it is a part of a parabola. So like this a characteristics happen. Now we will have some equation type. So let's move on and see how we will define that. So the equation which we got is ID is equal to IDSS 1 minus VGS by VP. This was a VGS off, right? And this is R square. So when our VGS is equal to 0, our ID becomes equal to IDSS. So our ID is a drain current and IDSS is a drain current for source voltage. So in the characteristic we saw that VGS was also negative and VP was also negative, as well as our VGS is between the range of our pinch voltage and the 0, right? So now see what we will do, this equation we got, now we will differentiate it with a VGS. So when we differentiate, we get drain current by voltage, and we know this, it is a transconductance. So when we differentiate, what we get, minus 2 IDSS by VP 1 minus VGS by VP. Now if I take this IDSS down, what we get? We get that if this square is turned to here, so we get ID by IDSS square is equal to 1 minus VG by VPS. So instead of this thing, we will write root under ID by IDSS. So we got that a transconductance is equal to what? Minus 2 by VP root under ID dot IDS. What it has done? It has done that it made 2 IDS, it was given by VP, it into here, so it become ID into IDSS, and root under 2 times this was there, so 1 IDSS came out, so it got cut. So we got this thing. So this was the transconductance equation which we got, and this is the drain current equation, or you can say the current equation, and it is type of a square law equation for this IDC. Square is there, so it is a square law equation for a drain current. So I hope you understood today's lecture. So today's lecture ends here. Till then, be happy and have a great day. Now is the quote time. Resentment is a method of self-harm. I hope all of you understood the lecture of today, and thank you for watching.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live Magus videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at class like community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.